This graph explains the link between exercise and breathing. During physical activity, both the frequency of breathing, how often we breathe, and the depth of each breath, how much air we take in, increase. This occurs because the muscles are working harder and performing aerobic respiration at a faster rate. As a result, the muscles need more oxygen to produce energy and must also get rid of the extra carbon dioxide produced as a waste product. But what happens when oxygen supply is insufficient? If the muscles don't receive enough oxygen to meet their energy demands, they switch to anaerobic respiration, which produces lactic acid. The lactic acid then accumulates in the muscles, lowering the pH of the cells. This can interfere with enzyme activity, potentially denaturing enzymes and slowing down or even stopping important chemical reactions in the body. After exercise, you'll notice that the body continues to breathe heavily for a while. This happens because the lactic acid that built up in the muscles during activity needs to be broken down, and that requires oxygen. This process is called repaying the oxygen debt. The longer it takes for the breathing rate and depth to return to normal, the bigger the oxygen debt, which means more lactic acid was produced during the exercise. Next, let's discuss how the body controls breathing during exercise. During exercise, the muscle cells respire faster, producing more carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide diffuses from the muscles into the blood. As the blood circulates, the brain detects the rising CO2 levels through special senses called chemoreceptors. In response, the brain sends nerve signals to the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. These muscles then contract more frequently and more forcefully, which increases both the rate and depth of breathing. As a result, more oxygen enters the blood, and carbon dioxide is removed more efficiently, helping the body meet the higher energy demands of exercise. So now, let's summarize the process of breathing during and after exercise. First, during exercise, the muscles need more energy, so respiration speeds up. Second, this produces more carbon dioxide, which the brain detects, triggering faster and deeper breathing. Third, if there isn't enough oxygen, the muscles switch to anaerobic respiration, producing lactic acid. Finally, after exercise, the body repays the oxygen debt, breaking down the lactic acid, and the breathing rate gradually returns to normal.